Hello friends, welcome to DevOps Scene. So in today's session, we are going to talk about install GitLab Runner on Ubuntu 20.04 EC2 instance and register GitLab Runner on Ubuntu. So in this video, we are going to discuss all these points, how to create Ubuntu 20.LTS EC2 instance in AWS, how to install GitLab Runner on Ubuntu 20.04 LTS, grant sudo permission to GitLab Runner user. Last one, register GitLab Runner. So firstly, how to create Ubuntu 20.04 LTS in EC2 instance in AWS. So let's see. So firstly, you can see here the steps. So now we will follow the steps. So first step is go to your AWS account. So you can see here, I have already logged in. So firstly, go to the EC2 instance, then click on launch instances. Then scroll down and you can see here Ubuntu server 20.04 LTS. So click on select. Then choose an instance type. So I want T2.micro. So click on next. Then next. So size, I want 15. Then click on next. Next. So you can see here, select an existing security group and select default. Then click on review and launch. And last is click on launch. So you can see here, select the key pair. So here I will choose Windows RSA. So you can choose as per your operating system. Then I acknowledged. Click on launch instances. So you can see here your instance are now launching. So you can see here. So now firstly go to the EC2 instance here and refresh the page. So you can see here our instance. So give some name. So give any name. So here GitLab Runner. Save. So now you need to install this software that the name MobiXterm. So firstly select the instance and go to the details, scroll down and you can see a public IPv4 address. This IPv4 and go to the MobiXterm. So I already downloaded. So you can see here. So click on session SSH. Here paste the IP and give some name here. So Ubuntu and click on advanced SSH setting. Click on use private key and here give your PEM file path. Then click on OK. So now you can see here our terminal is ready for run this Linux command. So now go to the next point. So how to install GitLab Runner on Ubuntu 20.04 LTS. So firstly visit the official GitLab Runner page to install latest GitLab Runner on Ubuntu 20.04 LTS. So go to this documentation. So here you can see the documentation of GitLab Runner of Linux. So you can see here, firstly run this command. So copy this command to add the official Git repository and paste here. Press enter. So you can see it's running. So it's done. So here the message, the repository is set up, so you can now install the packages. So now go to this documentation, then scroll down and you can see here the command for installing GitLab Runner. So copy this command and paste here. Press enter and you can see here it's installing. It takes some time. So you can see it's successfully installed. So now before next point, you can see here to install specific version of GitLab Runner, you can run this command if you want to install specific version of GitLab Runner. So now go to the next point is grant sudo permission to GitLab Runner user. So firstly run this command cd/home, then ls. Now you will see the GitLab Runner user, and to grant sudo permission to GitLab Runner user, so run this command sudo and vsudo. Then you can see your root. So now you can see here, to add the user, run this command. So copy this command and paste here. You can see here. Then press Ctrl plus X. Then press Y and then press enter. So now if you want to check your version or details of your GitLab Runner, so run this command. Here you can see sudo GitLab Runner -- version. So let's check sudo GitLab Runner -- version. Sorry, spelling mistake. GitLab. So you can see the details of GitLab Runner. So now let's check the status. So sudo GitLab Runner status. So you can see here the message service is running. So now go to the next point. So before go to the next point, you can see here to start, stop and restart GitLab Runner. You can use this command for start. sudo gitlab runner start. For stop, sudo gitlab runner stop. For restart, sudo gitlab runner restart. So go to the next point is how to register GitLab runner. So you can see the steps. So firstly, run this command. So firstly, you can see here, scroll down and you can see a register a runner. So go to this link. So you can see here. So go to the Linux. So for register, copy the command and paste here. Enter. So enter the GitLab instance URL. Go to the your GitLab account, go to setting, then CI/CD and expand runners. Scroll down and you can see here register the runner with this URL. So copy this URL and paste here. Press enter, then enter the registration token. So here you can see registration token. So copy this token and paste here. Enter, then enter a description for the runner. So give some meaningful description. So my Linux runner. Then enter tags for the runner. So SSH. Then enter and execute. So shit. So you can see here runner registered successfully. So let's check. So go to the GitLab account and refresh the page. You can see the runners. So expand. Scroll down and you can see here my Linux runner. So now go to the next point is here error. So sometime there is error occur like this. Job is stuck because the project doesn't have any runners online assigned to it. So go to runners page. So what should we do? So the solution, so go to the EC2 install, go to the your GitLab account and you can see here the edit option. So click on edit. And here you can see run untagged jobs, indicate whether the runner can pick jobs without tag. So check it and save changes. So it's done. So thank you for watching our video. So I hope you like the video. So please like, share and subscribe our DevOps channel.